Hello everyone, welcome back to How Tutors. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can fix that read status is not working, or you will not see that other people read your message or not. So how can you fix this? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So now let's go to BOTIM messaging app. So I'm just gonna click there. Wait a second please, and then go to me, right bottom corner on your screen, then click account, and then click privacy, and then here you'll see the option read status. Okay, so this one. So when you just click on the circle, then everything will be fixed. Okay, your read status will be okay. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.